Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set your MacBook to wake up at a certain time on a certain day of the week on your MacBook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by selecting the Apple icon of the top left corner of the Finder bar. So go ahead and just left click on that, and then you want to select System Preferences. Select Energy Saver, and then where it says Schedule, go ahead and left click on the Schedule button. At this point, you can set it Startup or Wake, so go ahead and just check mark that. Set what day of the week you want it to start up. Again, you will have to turn this off if you only want it to occur one time. This will do it every Wednesday at 12 a.m. how it's currently set right now, so you'd have to just come back in here and turn it off if you don't want it to do it every Wednesday or a weekday or weekend or every day, like you have the option to do in here. And then again, you set the time right over here on the left side. You can go ahead and type it into if you choose to do that. And again, very straightforward process here, guys. You also have the option to sleep your computer, restart, or shut down. Again, you have the same functionality as you do with the startup or wake option. So again, very straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.